Can LLC Kihei? Yes, you can form an LLC in Kihei, Hawaii. The process is the same as anywhere else in the state of Hawaii. You'll file articles of organization with the Hawaii Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs, pay the required filing fee, and choose a unique business name that includes LLC or Limited Liability Company. An LLC in Kihei can be used for any type of business, such as tourism services, restaurants, retail shops, or real estate investments. You'll also need to get an EIN for taxes and may need local business licenses depending on what kind of business you run. Forming an LLC in Hawaii gives you liability protection while letting you take advantage of the flexibility of pass-through taxation or electing s-corp/c-corp taxation if needed. Zen Business can help you form your LLC in Kihei or anywhere in Hawaii quickly and handle the paperwork for you. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.